Uh-oh. What's the sound? You hear it? Sorry, a bird? Hold on, let me check outside. See that swallow just came? Oh no, it looks like the bird is trying to make a nest in here. No wonder it smelled something. Alright, so I finally cleared it all. See how that's fully opened? When I have the range hood on high. Alright, I'm outside. And this is what the nest is. Looks like they use some feathers and twigs and all kinds of stuff, see? As you can see right here. I removed the nest. But I don't like the design, how there's a hole in the top, you know, for birds to get in. Horrible design. Probably need to put a vent cover, a metallic vent cover cage over there. So here is the intake hood that we're going to install. And see, there's a cover. So it prevents birds from making a nest. Now removing the old vent cover. See, there's a hole in the top. I think the flap. See, the vent cover is held on by 4 screws, so you have to unscrew. There's the old one. It's also held on by 4 screws. And my siding is wood. Alright, that's complete. It looks good. Look at that. Now the birds cannot come and make a nest. And now they're adding a sealant. That's very good.